Gentleman yields back. For the purpose of the gentleman from Nebraska, rise.
Mr. Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to address the House for 1 minute and revise the consent motion.
Without objection.
Mr. Speaker, we engage in so much Washington speak in our debates. Words like sequestration, continuing resolutions, and debt ceiling. And the structure of our debate, I feel, can be so off-putting to many Americans. So let's try to be a little more straightforward. The reality is that we have a huge mismatch between revenues and expenditures. We all know that this is a struggle, but we have to get our fiscal house in order just like American families do, businesses do, and even local governments do. But instead of hashing through the same old debates, perhaps there is an easier way forward. Right here, Mr. Speaker, is a General Accountability Office report that came out this week. It's a new report that builds upon former reports. There are more than 300 areas where we can tackle redundant spending across the federal government. So here's the right place to start, Mr. Speaker, delivering a smarter and more effective government while also saving money. I yield back.
The gentleman yields back. For the purpose of the gentleman from Virginia, rise.